You're not ugly. The real problem isn't your genetics, your bone structure, or bad luck. It's 7 bad habits that are silently destroying your face every single day, and you probably don't even notice them. The bad news? If you don't fix them now, you'll keep aging faster than you should. So in this video, I'll show you exactly what those 7 habits are and how to fix them. And the good news? The fixes are simple, and if you start today, you'll start seeing results in just weeks. So let's get started. 1. Touching your face. This is one of the most common habits, and most people don't even realize they do it. You're probably touching your face 30 to 50 times a day, scratching, resting your chin on your hand, rubbing your eyes. It seems harmless, but your hands aren't clean. Now here's the problem, your hands are dirty. You touch your phone, your desk, door handles, random stuff all day. That dirt and bacteria transfer directly to your skin when you touch your face. The result? It causes pimples, clogged pores, and oily skin. And the worst part is you won't even realize this is what's causing your breakouts. The fix is simple. Become aware. Every time you feel like touching your face, stop yourself. Wash your hands regularly and keep them away from your skin. The less you touch, the clearer your skin will get, and over time, your face will look healthier and more vibrant. 2. Chewing on one side. This one's crazy because it actually changes your face structure over time. You might not realize it, but always chewing on one side, gum, food, or snacks, can change your face structure. The jaw on that side develops more, creating facial asymmetry, and asymmetry is one of the biggest killers of attractiveness. Even small differences, like one cheek looking fuller than the other, make your face look uneven. The solution? Start chewing evenly. Switch sides every few minutes when eating or chewing gum. Over time, your jaw will stay balanced, your face more symmetrical, and your features sharper. This small habit makes a bigger difference than most people think. 3. Not getting enough sun exposure. Your body needs sunlight, not just for vitamin D, but for testosterone, energy, and your skin's glow. If you're always locked inside your room gaming or scrolling on your phone, your skin will look pale and lifeless. Your eyes get dull, your mood drops, and you lose that healthy masculine aura. Compare 2 guys, one who spends time outdoors, one who doesn't. The outdoor guy has a natural tan, bright eyes, more energy in his body language. The indoor guy looks tired, pale, and weak. Who do you think women will notice more? You don't need to sunbathe for hours. Just 15 to 20 minutes of sunlight daily is enough. Go for a walk in the morning. Do your workouts outside or just sit on the balcony. Your skin will glow, your testosterone will rise, and your face will look alive again. But make sure to apply sunscreen. 4. Bad sleep. Sleep is where your body repairs itself. Skipping it doesn't just make you feel tired, you look tired too. Dark circles, puffy eyes, dull skin, and there are many long-term effects. Think about it. When was the last time you looked in the mirror after an all-nighter? Your face looks swollen, your skin looks lifeless. Imagine doing that night after night. That's what most people are doing without realizing it. The fix is simple. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep, go to bed at the same time each night, and cut screens an hour before sleeping. Your phone is killing your melatonin. Good sleep means clearer skin, a sharper jawline, a fresher and more energetic face. 5. Too much caffeine. Now don't get me wrong, coffee itself isn't evil. In small amounts it's perfectly fine, but when you're drinking 3 to 4 cups a day just to survive, you're doing serious damage. First, caffeine dehydrates you. With less water in your system, your skin looks dry, tired, and older than it really is. Second, too much caffeine ruins your sleep, which we just talked about. And third, depending on caffeine kills your natural energy. Instead of looking calm and confident, you end up looking restless and jittery. If you want to look fresh, keep it under control. 1 cup of coffee a day or 2 at most. And for every cup, have a glass of water to keep things balanced. Real energy should come from proper sleep, healthy food, and regular exercise, not from gulping down coffee all day. 6. High stress. Stress is a silent killer. It affects not only your health but your appearance. High stress raises cortisol, which makes you store fat, damages your skin, and lowers testosterone. Ever notice how during exams or tough periods you break out more, look exhausted, and feel weaker? That's stress showing on your face. You can't eliminate stress completely, but you can manage it. Exercise, meditate, walk, spend time with friends. Find ways to calm your mind. The calmer you are, the better your face and body will look. Stress literally ages you. Manage it and you'll look younger, sharper, and more vibrant. 7. Blaming genetics instead of improving. Finally, the worst habit of all, blaming genetics. So many guys look in the mirror, see flaws, and instantly say, "It's genetics, I can't change it." That mindset alone keeps you from looking your best. Sure, genetics set a foundation, but your habits, your diet, fitness, skincare, sleep, and hairstyle determine how much of your potential you actually show. Look at any transformation photo online, you'll see guys who went from average to model tier. Do you think they all had perfect genetics? No, they worked on what they could control. The truth is, 80% of how you look is in your hands. Stop blaming genetics and start improving. Hit the gym, eat well, sleep properly, dress sharper, groom yourself. That's how you unlock your real face. That's it. If you want more videos like this, subscribe and hit the bell icon.